so kra amanfo nsu atoje wie na fe no onum suso nsu ya ye vaginal bleaching na wie so fe na private comment ni ba bebre ji se da che madok sa ba biemu na ye to asa nkomo ni so edi efi ho emom se si ayi de ensema hodo ane de bonkrata ne di aba no eno ana ye ba ba dwendwen ho yi na what to say you see a eminent advisory committee no say adwebre ama enura wo mu akọ isi ho akọ ama ya cheche wo mu IT department for no a cheche wo mu mia hodo ne kwan a wo mu data no faso adwuma ne die ntia esese wo no enya data no foforo se wo mu chemu se no kre ne se de wo no ye betim di ato aba na emom se yesi ya upgrade aka ye bebo no ye fofora enkebo no wo fom kra nti yesi committee ni tietia no say okay ye be ye ni ya betie mu de momma ipack metena se na ye ntie parties ne so ene nti enesenhiem de no ebekoso what are you looking forward to nti ano ye ba be dwendwen ho bra amanyokofo no abei na afei na nsen public accounts committee for wo mo chairman sisi ano Honorable James Aveji say unia wo be swai be fa Quran se Bible be fa cross be din se sasama be kan be di nokre afa be wi ase no na nsama wo kan nyina nkontomponko a ene wo mo ebe hwe se wodo be kwa kogina mra no anim se pagiri na achew na wo mo di wasem se wo swai se wo be di nokre ana asama wo be kan nokre nko a ebe wi ase no na nkontompo twom no bomo eni ubedi wadwe yose on fi se empe bebre bi mu akọ public accounts committee akotena wa enkunta wo bubuo no amanfo techem se we die na bi onum so bi makasai ade wo motena se a wo mo ese nsan kwagie sika se charge mremu no yenka wo hwe ti wo mo a committee no masetena ne de ye ebie niema so miehu nani nanso yehu wi a na afi akosisen na ye den yehu hwe nti ebi mu se saa yi nsuhie we no ebeye na afi mampanie asema wode atudwa se Ghana bo no homodi ye bibia se wo mu si yenye support de ana se yenye kantakura ya de ho se nkrofo nsamondifo ya wai se wuri amogya mpa wontim dai wonama wodi wondwuma ahodo nanso ni nyina mu no o my Ghana ye bibia wo ye adwumaden gidigidi pa se de be ya ye besisa terrorist for no kwan a wonya kwan ema ene sanse mimiensa ene ye bedwendwen ho na wowura kwa me bafo a wotaisa no mrane se abronye wo ye Bono regional chairman ema MPP amanyoko no kwa me aba enti ene no befiti nkomodie no ase ye hwe kwan se ye nua bema Anthony Nukpanu Greater Accra regional organizer ema NDC amanyoko no enso ebeba beka ne ho ye ne kwa me mfiti ase kwam akwaba
Mejo so ya
ana wa abadada oya ha
men say
obadabe
ombedu na no doda
ti wa be hyenkran ha be nenan di oji wani
o me de say da bia
emu be ye emu nye
me da as usual dada nyina hu me ne de ade kyenko ade a me de emu ye mama
na sawa be sha sa hwan na hwe Kwasi Julius
Kwasi de say ma hwe omo aye chief of staff o say onya
o de o ha chief of staff wo hia no da
na un say mene ne neteben
oh I see u hia na ya o ka de na chiro
madam fo no
o tete no dodo wo ba Kwasi Julius ba fo asem da bibi say enye Julius de brade
and say isi fu salifu ne nyina nkramofo ma
papa you kwame ma yenhye nkomo yase ye twen se wunua be ma Anthony Nukpanu ebe fi ndi samanyoko ni mu aba na ene Ghanaian Times page 4 say yi Public Accounts Committee of Parliament wonum chairman Honorable James Aveji say wa obeba betwa ntro bia oba na obema false yi bia eno ani say wo mu ebema emra no ene wo adi. What do you think of such suggestion we
Medasi bebre. Mamemfa kwanya we na menchia wahwefo. Babia wafidi kase ne kodua ma omu nyina ache. Na yachi aban mo mpanfo a mo mpanyina na adoda nkwa akofo ado ene da no. Omu di dwumadi bi abaye resource fair na eno na nkrofobia omwo man mu ha edi free 2017 ebesi nedadua me no kasa ni ntabo space na omudi nantwi ni aka akiri se omunhu hwe na resource fair na omuyi no yeyi ni feed gadochi se ye tamale interchange omunse ho ya kura se omunhia tamale interchange na yeyi ni feed gadochi ama manfo omo ho ye den ehu se ukurum o ko ukurum a drobo from Brekum to drobo ubehun se kwan je adom afriase ye ne kama yeyi ne firi gadochi ama obi aye de ehu yemfa ma state of the nation address to say 2016 eba ye say ye kotaria enye nokore no nti edwuma dia Ministry of Evaluation dia ba obi a behu emfie 9 ya ebe kona wie yetu 7 January 2021 no nanado danko akofo ado ne nsa no adwuma one na pamfo ne cabinet adwuma o maye aye kire say o mampanyi nanado danko akofo ado ye mano emfie 9 no esanka ho a o manga na be krabere enkonko yesese de mampanyi dada adwona je kunkufo kokuru Ghana ekoduru mpempenso obi a na yesese nka MPP administration ne to aso no na ntima ma ne sa na NDC bae na areho ne atete ne ahokyere ko mu no ye hwe animu se eniema ya yeyi nyina no so no sector bia ba bia be yi akire bia no employment opportunities ye dey e wo ho a nkakra maburu no enya adwuma nti ye da aban na se obaya public accounts committee me ankasa no public account committee no no problem kakra wo free say yenya 1992 constitution no NSA public accounts committee betenasi na asoya hodo te se district assembly ne ne keka ho no state agencies binum wo ho a ebra auditor general aye ne audit awie no no aye nhwehwemu awie ne report mu no so no oye ne audit sa institutions ne nyina awie a ba bia mfonso wo no obi adi sika bia no ne ya twere search
yeah
baby wo ha no ma recommend for prosecution anameboa ni nyina wo fa auditor general report bia ye den ewum no mu wi a said the constitution ne kire no article 187 of the 1992 constitution no as say waye na dwuma wie ni nyina wo san bo akire de kom mrahye bedwa emre bi atwam no na auditor general no kra na how to enforce nkrofo o mafa kwambone so afọ man ni sika kura na akwa ebibia ye dey ho kokokan ye se auditor general nye dey eni tumi na occupy Ghana versus attorney general omukọ court na oman court kase ne ye say the auditor general no wo tumi pe ne functions na wo article 187 ne say obi obedi oman ni sika bia no ese se auditor general ne say charge no and now make sure say prosecution be dey ebe ye adwuma me ka we akwa we say public accounts committee no omudwuma di omudidi free bra yenya 1992 constitution be sin ya menti ase one ye nyina agitum say public accounts committee ni tumi odi ye adwuma no ene high court ye den eyepe me no mienu so nim say high court so obi kone so okokogina witness box mu na so odi tura ne e kan perjury no yetimi ye den either in a civil matter or a criminal you team the charges in here then a bow who offenses no a perjury a second degree felony a year can once that be I tenase ama manfo appear before the public committee public accounts committee auditor general report na den anim no enya no na nipa na wato nsa afre no from a certain assembly no ye den or can once ye fro be free national health insurance ya ebi o ya accounts officer okwa yesi say report no kire say mo na mo dis am provide some information we yesi ska we afam nsase ebe wi achi odi tro wi a ne ye kan auditor general no report no kire na say I am sorry eye perjury
I am sorry pa
because ukoduru ye no first thing say ye the Quran na Barbara ye den ama uka DVL edie a former chief executive for buy about $9 million once and back Roma or say Dabi auditor general report no be the children we say I am sorry to err is human ne de keka ho ehɔ no de asɛm de na public accounts committee etumia 1992 constitution de amana no no bia appear before them no waka so oba be kan nokore no wan kan de no mo ye
bi afa no ma dwan ba so fi se nura de ne de esi ye nti na ama honorable James Aveji ka se yes Gan South MC o edru no so no na assembly no na edru mo so aye hwehwe wo mo nkratam wo hi a ne nkrofo di kan no no MC ni ho no mo se wo si wo resource fair asenti wo ba se resource fair yin so wo conference center nti just opposite any obeba sisi a be 1 hour chi wo mother be 1 hour 30 minutes o musan bi se bi o afa mum no wo free office a wo ba oni resource fair na se
ana obaya
any mo betwa ye ntro nti sisi ai de ye be ma posi aba ha uni a oba na utwa ye ntro ene na ya ma posi aba ti se wo be sha ase afi baby na afi o maduru baby
omo kan bia so bi obi krata to appear before public accounts committee nipa ne nyamaya the word perjury doesn't come in nipa na yesoma ne man be kan ye no untimi charge ne perjury because no yesomafo
so what the falsehood na aba
anti no no de bia you can accuse the person but mu wotumi say ye kasa obaya appear before the public committee no ne so obaya ma tumi ba ko esankita public accounts committee ni say ne efre ne subpoena
okay
no the subpoena na kwa nipa no subpoena na ma it amounts to contempt mo betima ye proceedings ni nyina na mo de akwa high court na high court na ye den akomete wo mo to prison enti nipa ne ma ya no an say public accounts committee no mo twere ne mo ma ne subpoena say and this is not the first time omo issues are process ni bi ye onkrofo bebre wo ho a o matake black rasta also koka azemra she bedwafo ne binom enum wi na first one ya wa ma no subpoena process
ana mo defa
ne lawyer na di kan koye and na wontin ka say lawyer ka say nipa no wa abrochire obeka say ne grant no wa abrochire nti lawyer ye den aditro the normal process na wo ho ese mo fa so no and ese mo fa nipa no nya ma wanim dia pagire ni say nipa no word na o mo use wo ho na memede kama sem pagire ni say nipa na appear before you wa begina wanim na ode bible aye den ana Quran ana ode nana kwaku free bosom adin say meka ho azem
no credit say I'm trying to see the word perjury.
Yeah.
Okay, reiterating the position at the commencement of sitting yesterday in Accra, Mr. Aveji alerted the police from the Parliamentary Protection Unit to be on the alert to pick up anyone the committee suspects of perjury.
Perjury ni say nipa na the word perjury ni say wa kwagina committee bi anima ni tumi ni court de ye den eyepe na wa side nana kwaku free bosom asai ana de guna su ya bosom asai say atansu ano me din sese asema me be kan me ka nokore nti guna su ya nsuo mumwa me enti eno no kokoba se committee na nye saa na wo di no be we kire ne expose wa eno ye perjury.
Okay.
Ba nipa ne tinifie no friend ne say no no ma ya
perjury de omo ba ye no ene ka
so ene bia ya futuo no ade ma se wa ba be di tro no wa ba
enya futuo wa ka che police say if oba be
perjury ni de
falsehood
ni nyina criminal offense
perjury ni jina ne fa na but falsehood no na ene perjury say what try say obedi no kre na tie kwame what try say obeka no kre otina say a na MC we usi o mi MC okoha oba afi de wo ba usi o sa na okoha afi
no nye perjury. Okay. MC movement and staff no ntimi nka nkyere say ebia o official duty bia mo na ese mo ka kyere say da say
enti
enye nipa na wa
pe committee when you don't know say no so be ka chair committee ni say mpacho miwura minim na eden na open excuse man
lawyer wan kokoto no the agreement letter ma kwa judge ni decided to go on the matter enye lawyer na wa man ni attack no
okay
wo na case ni yo dia wa kwa fa lawyer no wo ni attack o enti say MC ni na the right person to answer omomo no mra me answer nya obi onu ko say MC wo trade fair na me kai no aba public account committee o muduma die no me nyanti ase na accounting fa public account committee adwuma o ma ya the free 1992 eba beduru no recommendations ahodo o ma ye nyina day one ya e wo fine A man for omo appear before the committee. Utimun say a bit to say a Trumanwa Biaja 2015 Trata Muno, ya ton trata no 500 Ghana. I'm seeing in the koi.
Okay.
No kokasa say a ton trata. A trata na so no an santo you. Oko committee na say I'm sorry. Sa report to ahodo eba 92 aba besin na recommendation no omo de kwa attorney general. Na so omo de kwa attorney general na enya no because report na amu hwem wo no. Auditor general no adi kana ko oba me maso ya me na me ye head. No se sika we se mo mfa nye se mo mfa nye le. Mo mfa nye. Na wa admit. Wa admit wi a say charge ni recommendation ahodo ni prosecution e wo fa hin. If say auditor general public accounts committee betena se. Na so mbe say or mining resources because you see we are chasing money and I'm a boy. Now you tenacity from the auditor general report. Near yes sitting at the end of the day no recommendation never banning crofo ombe recommend say you prosecute omo. Na say you ntimi prosecute omo dia. I mean who ye say public accounts committee tenacity. Na ye former bedwakuo. Na ye san kasa ye wi ane ye de oman sika ma oman allowance. Say
hia de be hia fi say omo ma ye hu ba bia sika ni bia fama kodi na mra so kra hye say ese ye wo sa committee no.
What we can amend it say hunya because sa resources na ye dey man. Auditor general domlevu no an kasa ban na man resources.
Okay.
Omo man resources so mfa nye na dwuma no. O say sika wa claim from 2015 Auditor General Report, 2016 Auditor General Report, 2017 Auditor General Report. Sami en sanwe. Ebra Supreme Court man to me wie yen. Enkrofo a wo say charge wo mo abinum di America betua no. Eye 660 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
And se sa na tie dia. Adentina we yen concentrate wo honom. Na to me na ekita no say o say charge na se nipa na ma. You lodge the official complaint with the police.
Okay.
Evidence near the ewo because we now call audit womo. You have the evidence. You give the evidence to the police any yoko for. Womo we are they should arrange the person to babia say omo de ko na omo prosecute no. Also obetua sika na ne comedy ane de. Me no watua. Dan say ya auditor general na wie waye na ne asan dia kofa parliament. Ne ya boa MPC ano na omo so ya no baba enkosi aga. Senkonkosi aga dia our concentration should be say auditor general. Any ebemano police. Yabamano prosecutorial powers. Na police ye dibia manaso ye a mo investigators wo ho ye ba assembly bi ne ye a ne ye gina so akasa wo ye be prosecute no ma file docket de ko but me gidi ye say report na ekona that of a mo hwehwe mu no o de toto 2015 eba e kire say 2019-18 financial year na ba na wie no na MMDC for no o ma bo mo ho modene pa o de toto 2014 na 400 million Ghana cedis e koya assembly no antimamu akonta mantama edi first wo ho a sika firi mu pa kase o mantimamu ba bia sika no fa e ya Asante region followed by ya bona hafo but over 2018 na utimun say amantam ni nyina bo ho modern say DC for no ma pamfo nyina no pe the auditor general report na e ba ye ne kire say e swati about 100 and sikanatima a reduce from 450 million na she wa samra ye hu ne omde ye atima reduce wa ba bedu 187 million Ghana cedis. It is protecting the public person here then. Adwuma. But media say MC BI ye beton sa frɛ. You have to go because you are accountable to the people. Auditor general for no ne mrantie na omo maba wa ne nyina omo ye adwuma no. Omo ye nipa. En adwuma bia obeye bia na erotimi ye den eba ma na oba ya mboa. Ebetima ba se turu omo hwehwemu no kra na report no bi wa oba ya sa ofa auditor general report ne se wo kenkana ebi wo how tim hu mistakes bebre eye den ewom wo mistakes ni bebre enti no ebi wo ha ne o matwere no bi a printing na yi na akwa hye wanim yesi o MC so bra wan kwa kyerɛ sɛ saa sika we ni de kora de me assembly ho no bi nsi hoda public perception ne bɛka sɛ wa ma ne de ɛyɛ nokore en ye nipa so de ade afire ni sika de the moment obi ate sɛ sika ba wo ho nkwa de opo wumpo ɛrɛ ɛyɛ nokore so you go and clear yourself say what shy akyerɛ timamufo sɛ wobɛyɛ accountable to them and there were institutions ne so hwɛ sɛ yɛfrɛ wa go and clear yourself because since 1992 besin ne no public account committee enchi MPB antumu public account committee enchi DC bi anye den
entu monko ase ministries ne offices
sa agencies ni nyina amonko na koka wasem ye obi wo ha ebi kura nya wo boss na ye ton sa afro no enyema bebre wo ha wo nkrofo na ya ukokre ho
okay
yati kroma account officers ni ye chi wo mu da bia ana meboa
da bia chi obi abi
oh mesi ye basa sikasem de omo na ye chi wo mu da bia nti ani kwanza odwane
ba ye hwe se de arefo so kanafe ye nkoka EC ene committee eminent committee for na wo mo aba no na ye nka eno so bi kakra teacher kujo tepa nyina so mpamucho Facebook comments kakra na abanini NDC should allow the EC to exercise their duties as the Constitution of Ghana mandated them to do. Not only that, but the Supreme Court in 2016 also made recommendations that the EC should compile a new register. So, these are some of the reasons why the NDC can't venture on the steps of the Supreme Court. Antonio Biabla de Fiakumazungu says, EC Eminent Committee, IPAC to meet over new voters register. Good move. Please resolve this issue without delay and kindly refer to EC immediately. I suggest EC could maintain the old data and purchase new machines if the need arises. This would calm nerves and save us from sunbathing during the registration. Let's live in peace, please. We have only one Ghana. Kwame on that note ma yenkwohwe enenkrata nyina de sasem na base ye eminent advisory committee for no abem enura wo mo ekọ isi akache ekọ bisa ya IT for no ne wonom kasa ye no otietie nsem na na osi woke enne ye hia isi IPAC ene sa ye ankasa ye ho nti committee no tenase a sa kwakwa nyina amra obi anto ne boase na omeka nasem wo hwa ento ase wo mo ensori no na ye reach compromise
me da se bebre na di kan ese ma hwefo ti ase se abedwaku na ne ombe hia omo no ya abedwaku a omutufo
okay
omasem bia ombe kan bia no akwakwa se recommendation
yeah
recommendation so ombe ma no enyense se electoral commission ye den efa na mom bi wo ho na eto asumu a na electoral commission de beyere e de beye adwuma na mom se asoye bi wo oman Ghana na asoye ne be sore se electoral commission yi upo wumpo ensuo we de esesa wonom de bi ni kurom ha na menyi ni se kopem se the 1992 constitution no ye be sesana no so ebi beba na ye se electoral commission ya abato ye constitution no ama omayi no omowo abedwaku etufo because ko other agencies ni nyina so omo so wo board ni ade a omo na hwe direct what is going on anameboa nto omo kwa kotufo about the voter register electoral commission making the position clear and the position nya se ono na atenase na oba ya waye dey wa create Spalox technology for omo na kofa register ne baaye no omo ama yate ase se Sanya machines na yedi ye adwuma wo electoral commission aso ye benam so ma abato akoso no machines na wu ntimi me hu the reason why I say electoral commission be use machines ya awuo e de akwa abato na use machines ya awuo ekwa abato wia na sa abato no eba wie ya nkrofo bi omo wo kroma no ba ya ye gidi ye so me accept results na because one this letter na eba ya ye de ma all the political parties no and this was copy of the letter as a letter no buy no electoral commission for am fancy spallos technology for at the buy wɔn de buy yɛn fancy obia na yɛatwerɛ wɔn sɛ awu dia adentre de ade awu ɛyɛ den ɛkɔ abatoɔ yɛtɔ foforɔ so a ɛno no boɔ no wɔ fam sɛ yɛbɛyɛ dada no ebinom so dabi ɛyɛ nwiamu asɛm hwan ne bɛ wia aba mu a yɛnkɔ abatoɔ a kwamba so na electoral commission bɛfa to wiamu compile new register ɛkyerɛ sɛ wia aba mu
kwame sɛ wonim sɛ abatoɔ na ne process no ɛno ani nti ɛnyɛ sɛ da yɛbɛto abana na abana yɛbɛto ne kwa nti edin na ekoto aba ne se no ne yɛbɛkan
issues na raise na nye se yɛn compile register ɛwɔ election year na yɛ bi se say 2004 year be na yɛ compile new register and Ghana be ya bakosem say register bi e be di mfie nwɔtwe bia na yɛsesa no ana meboa nti aba yɛsesa no yes san na se mo se mo nkwa nkwatwere mu di
na say because back no na enye biometric no na enye manual no na ho nsem dɔso na we di aye biometric ya enye manual yi ebia na ye wo kwan ye fa so a ye betimi asem yes because my argument say this one doesn't expire and you don't necessarily have to change it
obaya ndisi fo ntimi kan kire say the current voter register no aye credible based on near Madame Charlotte Seyaka. Madame Charlotte Seyaka say register na credible. Charlotte say ne kan nyam na meka. Ebro ko Georgina wood committee anim no. O say register no enye credible.
Sabre no mo kan say.
Petition
o kan say enye credible no mo kan say.
We 2017 and a petition ayedi ti ano no. Madame Charlotte said 27 points. We obaya no response no nie.
We me pacho we dey wani dey mo amintwa no. Ma me nua Anthony Nupenu Enchre na Anthony Nupenu eye Greater Accra regional organizer Emma NDC. Anthony akwaba.
We say
yenko achiri yaka PAC PAC Public Accounts Committee. Force them afia be an was started 8 something a waka ka
afia no na sa afia no
ECD no na afia was started you kwai
nti obaya asama Charlotte say kan ye no
okay
ebra ye di petition no tia no Charlotte say ankasa o ena e kasai eno ka ho bi na Supreme Court judges o motena committee na nim ka ase no mo amwo ho no nyina no mo ye incompetent mo nkofi Charlotte say the response or the call ya or the call committee na nim 27 points no near what to the further particulars no paragraph 28 sub paragraph 6 here or see the deputy chair operations has persistently effected illegal vote transfers from his office on the voter management system in a clear breach of the law and operational policies of the commission. Such actions have major implications for the integrity of the work of the commission and constitute abuse of office, illegal vote transfer.
Kwame said the worker said the not just as a committee of eminent committee advisory committee omo akotinati krombe no wuni mumwaye ne dada because omo say adwobre na yenkotie obia afa you are still defending ne
Dabi say committee de nyame na omo na kasa me de ne me hu say wo register no ne me kana me ka me de me na omo ni nkomodie minim omo
okay
minim omo
but no say sa anamontu no omo na say wo yo wa ya ni dedededa aba e wo isi ya na montu say o ye register for no ebe ko say
omo no ko ne so omo ko ka o masema MPP for fa me wo every right no maka say e recommendation me mfa MPP betima fa ba me kwa me wo me right say metuma ka say MPP for the afa ba me mfa nya adwuma because ne Charlotte say aka no e ma me kwa me mfa nya dey me mfa nya adwuma now and this is for talking about the cost here and there any aho kire wo Ghana e ho na ye be bisa o say obaya no ye ni ye simple moti kroma na mo ka kire say aho kire wo Ghana pa ena motimi ama director of elections aye akasa mo bia te say they will spend millions of Ghana cedis and this ya mo wo opposition mo ka aho kire no motima boa millions of Ghana citizens amode be demonstration na Ghana fo na omu so aho kire no some millions of Ghana citizens na amaboa no wodan mu amosara no pa na mo buy bi di ko demonstration mo de mo omu didi enye mo te Ghana fo ni nsuo Ghana fo akwanye some millions of Ghana citizens na mo te mo de be demonstration no oba ya mo de ye kwan enye mo te Ghana fo mantimi ntwe o mo school fees some millions of Ghana citizens amahama so oba say dia ye demonstration no or the man crofo twe o mo school fees enye.
Thank you ma Anthony so
eno na me land here no
land did that
zama ewe man kasa 15 minutes
oh wa bro cra
ECJ
all the time now we
Sunday obi ansoma ne say no obi na kumantwi me land here no so wa mantam ntuntim fa me ta na me start here man no and this you akwadofo you know say basha
oh it's not fair
oh wait
ohene me
ora mate ora nya oda fa mama you aduan na sinche
me dance
obaya sa register on demonstration on the court tamale Ghana so penkura kese be ye nan a untinyi tamale mfira na meboa and this amosem ye social democrat mobrowafo na mobo omo no e ho no mo de register no ko gina ya mo national women organizer se tamale ya kurase eno ye register message no so ko gina tamale abonten so e ka se tamale ya kurase nto omu nya interchange omu nya akurase na ai MPP develop I don't know mu diska na if tamale ya kurase dia ene ya wa abro nya ya wa cheche to
ben na o kasa ne ma ne kansa na
o say come the Ghana for o say na onti kroma ontu kwan o wa ha ne every no redanda ye hu bi
okay
Ghana for na wo say come the omo hia interchange no matima nya millions of Ghana citizens mo na mo kan visa free and am quoting him at the accord demonstration na omo am say hanabisi o say ye kunu no mo pa adwuma
oh landi
free na me dey 2 seconds ye kunu no mo pa adwuma omo nya adwuma nya ukunu pa adwuma ya akom de ukunu a owu no wo party anya millions of Ghana citizens and this mo wa ban mu a mo boa sika no di kofie na mo mfa adwuma nti Ghana fo mabunu ntie millions of Ghana citizens bro mo wa ban mu no omo sika no e de ba employ omo ko opposition dia millions of Ghana citizens na omo de ye demonstration eno na haru na eseku kan ye no presidency what there mo mane me ho Ghana fo madaw
Anthony mentie we ye kan PAC kakra na aba advisory committee ECD a omo se ajubre Bacho say
PAC news we no mean
PAC Ufa Ghanaian Times page 4 Enra Ghana South Assembly no Memphis no kwa me pese wo how wo boa
former president former about public accounts committee anya sa na news
enya no na make da bi
okay
ohene enya
sorry
Enra Ghana South for no mu copy o public accounts committee omuko no na MC na nkasa nka ho enti chairman Emma committee no wura James Aveji ebusa so we omuso o across the sheets or conference center wo ba or resource fair na se echiria o cheya o mada na echi omuso afa no fi office ba na chairman say saade we ya mo ba mo taye pa musu ai se mu bedi no kre so afa na mu twam kontompo ti afi de enso so se wo ba na wo betwam kontompo a posi ti parliamentary posi wo munye standby obi ba no twam kontompo a se we ya yebusa na sema wan ni no kre ana ne nkrata mu a yahwehwem no wakita baabra na kora na di nse na no so watwantro no ene na page ya che no na ya hye process na se posi abefa na fe yedu akogina emra no enim
yo medasi na me di nchiama
nti beka tu na bom
na me di nchiama hwefo na di chapa omo se market kakra traffic no echi o temamoto ya no pe ne anu ye din kakra
me ho na mete
braka sawa
ebeda nyame ase so di nkwa mai afọ PAC asem di enya asem fufuro because me say Ghana ha no ya di Quran ni Bible esuano ntro na etwa ntina I don't use any of those things to take an oath but me gidi say when you affirm
na wako baby sa na wo say we take oath
oh I've taken oath in several areas and I don't use any
who used today
I affirm because me gidi say nyame boni oni na susu die mu ntimi affirm ya medi no kra che ne say mefa obi nchochore na me di akokan kinta gidie enye ehwinti ensuro emra na ye nananom ukogina we na ukana se odufi na central na otwa de obeye wa but eno nya asem no em say PAC should step up there again every year ye hu I say annual ritual na enkosiaga nti ama obi ehu say o we we can bia na omudi ache ebi mu ba ho to err is human to forgive is divine mu fa nche ye nye biom but you see the next year audit report the same things repeat so I say our institutions no omo hu say the regulatory authority and I say the sanction regime enye punitive nti obi biara timi ye de ope until say obi fa Ghana 2 cedi crampo na say otimi punishment bitimi come a deterrent no ye nyina da ebenya public office will continue to repeat because from the top to down no, the indiscipline within our body fiber the public office no very high because
ye ni ahunhye so nti na ye emra say emra no be hye ya me ahye ho so
emra no be hye yen omo a ye so mo implement law no omo ye emra na nga so omo ndi emra no so omo parliament omo ye 275 omo ahine ko parliament omo attitude towards work na ti say nti obi hu sa niam na then ebe Kenya no say omo ami kom anim no omo su ni ban omo di dwuma nti ese mi su mi timi hye me hu di nti sa niam na ani ho no ye koye agagifo ho case back ye be adjoni 5 years 6 years nti say me diga na sika na say I will just be going adjournment na me ba obi be di because of say o asem we enkosi bebia nti until all these things police ni now eso otimi be yire me no onu so ni suni ban ti say nti ye nyina no ye mfa obuo ema ye hu nti dani da no say ya na ebe ba na ntro for makotro na ya den ya beka ho asem na enkosi aga Ghana needs transformational leadership in every sector. Badwin bafo a ebe hu say oman no ese etimi chichi to oma dachima say yenya sa nema na politician for ebenya a full day judiciary ebenya ni full day the security sector ebenya ni full day everybody the indiscipline adware nti say ya na eko na ahomti me gidi say edukre say nyankopon best say we ase anka onye ntem no nsesa ne ya egu mu sesi ano yenko na afufurofuro because Ghana sesi ano mini kwame abronye ye beka assembly but momufa public office be my sesi anahwe because institutional ukono if you can't fight them you have to join them the moment I we see gina bia odi una esi ho say wo ye bibi ama Ghana enya fahudino people around you then as amudidi uhunu they will talk to your superior superior no so on nye nhwehwemu then you be implicate you rather nti ama uhwe system na there are decent and genuine leaders they feel say on betimi aye djuma boa Ghana but because the institutional framework na break it down nti omu kwa na mo eden omu atwe omu ho ewo nti honorable Virginia na pamfo enye ne kanu ena ye we no mumfa osie enye oyo na mu yen say you really have the powers of the high court to implement certain things that people who say yes we dey mo yebi but mu kan na mo anya we cannot take your words again we are sick and tired of this kind of work when it comes to the EC em say since assembly ebaye no the NDC and other political parties no you stated your position very clear. And ya chechire mu amagana for atiase reasons say for say ye befa sika foforo akoye compilation of new data no ehia bet ye be support the systems ye pese ye edeboa ema ya bato ebeto in the near futures no emu be gina ho krujin because mini kwame abronye ni wan ka say etina ha no you take your biodata. I mean, you say there's any incredible features within our biodata. So, say any more, why should you and I, Yensanko Sunline, Yensanko G biodata view? What is happening with additional costs? Secondly, and now yet Ghana national ID system is on course. So the young man who say maybe the next 1 year or 2 years, that system a very comprehensive system of biodata additional features of your iris and your facial recognition subsequently EC betimi transport te sa betin upload that data edi aka ndi omo ho enti se sa sika na ekọ honum ebe ye mfaso ama ye ochina adenti na yesan be fa Ghana sika foforo edi build another data whilst there is a system that's being implemented nyama we nyina na ye kan say near what was say even the most credible feature because unsa biodata more efficient in facial recognition. Why do we continue doing things that always Ghana sika na eko?
Okay.
They will go on tangential issues. Issues are in here because me tie me abronye and hanabisu nko kan sembia say tamahecracy, but MPP will always create a story. No mu dia shell. So one be you anu na ye say no correct.
Ko tamale wanka
bibiasa. And he has issued a statement.
She has. Na abronye si ohun rejoin that.
So nipa ni su ni ban a or the TV. Enya asem no eka dia eka yin hu.
No, of course.
But just to divert and create certain mindset Ghana for adwemu. Enora advisory committee also amusi afom no. Omunya akwa kwatena ase. Omutie EC. And omashe boss omuni stakeholder ni political party be nyankita hudie.
And so much about like a necra no they've scheduled the meeting.
Yebehwe the way forward. So it's one of the platform yebeko asanko advocate your position and points.
Okay. To
let them know say nyaye kanye enye say we are afraid said new biodata system bar ebe disenfranchise yen say yen we need about hot but we are making a position na ebe boama Ghana for nyina and for me no enye niamba ko tina mu office because abronya every document you hold here is a creation of the MPP. We see report to Charlotte was signed. Has he signed?
What are you talking about? What are you talking
about? You see, everybody submitted a document to a committee must be signed. Where is it?
What are you talking about?
What are you
talking about? Okay, I will come in.
So, baby, and signature where it says document or the call.
Offer na Obama Emma Manfont said the
me see Guinea say document when Charlotte said the call Supreme Court committee name to make his case as an yen signature. This is your own creation. SFs will be more extracted here, edit to net so one ko printing and mudi case, which is not the factual statement of Koye or Horn. So for me, here the system as is being managed today. What is the way forward? The way forward is Musi BVRs, any BVD machines, they are obsolete. They don't have parts to repair. Musi consultants amamu report on what is supposed to be done. Say yekoye repairs and I say yekoye overhaul of the machines now. It is more costly than procurement of new ones. You see reports now consultant ni diabano muma ya sankane nyina yenkobo bomu. Up to today EC cannot submit that report. It tells me you and I clearly said there is no such report. Obia ebosrimka eno opese otu bibi guga na fueni na say one kobo bomu you take it tra from Jane Mensah and Bosman Asari and think say it's a factual statement. If there is something like that from the consultant, why are you hesitating to submit it to the public?
And so OGD say ene mobetimi reach compromise ebra sa eminent advisory committee na ba no.
Where we are today, yes, state your positions, yes, state your cases.
Okay.
Say committee no omudo Ghana no mu ye badwemba for part say dey ni mo ba brown abo Ghana. No omutie yen etie EC etie MPP. I believe say if they are really concerned about Ghanaians, omutimi enko ahead and approval say munko fa over 1 billion and say compile new register. If that is what they will advise, there are several steps that is ahead of us as a political party.
I want to say, Oshemia, Casa, me come see a bit me reach compromise. Say, be we betting once will have baby kakra, we so betting once will have baby kakra, na fi ye beijing and finfini. Cause a be a night and yes, a chin. Was say a coni say, Tanya be a moody mustanza and say, chin.
we are for procurement of machines and software to make sure that the data as it is today can be uploaded and advanced upon. But say, you can sign line over 40-50 million for some sign line with new ones. And now you work on say your continuous registration. Say ne obi biara already 18 years. Every Friday that has been the roadmap. Friday biano EC offices in the district omo register sa microphone.
Okay.
The daily every week sa nhihye no cost. Just 3 or so 4 months ago, you registered over 1.2 million Ghanaians onto the register. And you registered nipa over 1.2 million about 3-4 months back. And then some microphone nyasa go sound like then oha na titi ni.
Okay.
Oha na titi we so you dey call infa. And the position is say claim say omo ewu e wo register no so nipa wu so okofa hin abede and nipa wu your biodata doesn't work.
Okay.
And for me clearly what you are just stating say software now we say eno enye papa ene into you hear advanced software no. Changing software doesn't mean change the biodata of the millions of Ghanaians are ever registered also. Store it, use the software to update it and move forward. Okay. And then get new people onto it for the elections ahead.
Okay.
So that you never in 1 or 2 years time NIA's comprehensive data collection or more year. That boy you say all systems in Ghana, all sectors in Ghana will not depend on that data. So that we'll stop wasting money in creating a parallel structures in this country. It doesn't. It's not applicable. It's not reasonable. Once that money can be used in developing other sectors of this country, I bet Ghana for. So for me, advisory committee should listen to the wisdom. You can say wisdom. Maybe some way somehow no. Almost 1 or 2 be nukre ana but Ginebia MPPAC from 2014-2015 said they will only need a new register before they can accept say credibility electoral system no. Once they stand here and they are beneficiaries of the same system ebu oman say ena enya atwuma mu a yefo say mayen soso enko say Ghana sika yemfa nyansa nyedwuma Ghana na nipa
na de odi nyansa be yanka o kanu kasa fofra ka mepe. Thank you.
Atem di bi woman
nyansa kasa no o ka nti na ya ese sebi no
okay
se mani nsawo
akan kasa no me am free from mountain na me kaka say otimi bo ma ba so say
nti udi ya na waka say o
sebi ye di nyansa kakra to ho a adwen to ho a ebe boa ama Ghana sika no etimi nya so papa ama no.
Thank you.
Na ho prove say
2 minutes or 3 maximum rebates.
Or say we are made the we a MPP creation. Mandre online and PCFM online. MPP there.
Nyamika one.
Pacho okasa o
signature one.
Pacho me but o signature. I'm
coming to expose you. 3 minutes.
We are talking about signature.
By 9:22 obey na.
Mama expose you. You are talking about signature here. The highest court of the land. Ye tuaba 2012 ye call ye no on sign pin sheet no our mansions assemble na Supreme Court to carry say see ye the signature na ye adwuma dia e this is signature and the bema document bia ye valid dia pin sheet dodo a close to 1900 pin sheet ya yan sign and ye declare results was no Supreme Court to gitu mu ndi woni wa abaka chem say e mandre online. Mama na o se nyon na sign ada na besin ne on twenko PCFM online on twenko Mandre online say 22nd July 2017 mu publish BBC na nya media entu ni asem bi aka waka no wa ha say amadu sule effect illegal transfer nti eno ne ma register na nyere enye papa ebiem na no na 13 political parties here press conference no wo mu state ni categorically say advice na spallock technology de buy omu wobi and this mon letter amose mu demand report no consultant for advice na wo fine adena political parties mako du miensa say wo mu wo copy na ndc ni bie e kire say mo kra apack no mo nko e na mo kọ so amode mo agenda na edenam ebiem o say
NDC pen ni bia na omo
shia ye
so na omo kan ni so
omo ye ka so omo hu report no bi obi am NDC fo na eka ana omo ye press conference wo say EC say amanfo wo register no EC press conference omo ye 9th January 2019 obaya eni nekitami wo so betima bie wo ho ono so betima bie no mfo onye no nkyere me ba bia electoral commission case
amanfo o say document be authentic e o say yes sign
enti EC press conference e sign me bo
ani so obi din hyase
onim ne o keka ana me say EC die ne electoral commission press conference no eni nekitami and no say electoral commission for kire say amanfo awu register nti no kan bi no mo sesa press conference ni from electoral commission of Ghana onye no nkire ba bi o mo ma sa reason no
I say munyi no bia gina ne stand chinchin
no
advisory committee for I don't wish to be in their shoes
obaya ye man crofo nyusu big platform for nitro say electoral commission ono o say
how be yi no ho anu titro ne de
there's no way Electoral Commission can on 9th January 2020
indicated a press conference.
We must say nipa wombi. Electoral Commission ni bianca asem. Ye nyina nim say even if we start the register today, obi be kwa akotwere ne di obewu. Nti eno nya reason. Reason omo de ma ya the letter dated May 18th May 2018. Electoral Commission what if Electoral Commission jama all the APAC ayi committee members no NDC wo bi omuntimi deny and electoral commission throw challenge mo response am de montima answer omuni elected dated May 2018 every STL Spalock technology for no one say also we would like to announce that the items in the present BVR are end of life including laptop. This means that no components are available to repair the items. For purposes of availability, maintainability, and compatibility in the future, we recommend to purchase new BVR. If you have any question, please contact us. As I let away, mu wobi wo honum. Enti mo sware na mo den tab was space. Na mo pesa mo ya mo propaganda talking about courtwa. I read to Konya mo in 2017 limited a cost 1.7 billion and so ba na mo de ba kroma now 2016 register na mo ye no any about 1.7 the limited registration please
limited pacho
any elections ni nyina the total offer limited registration na e cost 487 million Ghana cedis. Including the general elections, you know, a cost of mine Ghana 1.7 billion. Now you are talking about a man for Nyansu. 8 years, I am Mama Konya or Ghana. Hano. It's just a man to you are incompetent to come back.
Anthony,
incompetent.
Now,
super incompetent.
You want
one in the first place. Manka say Electoral Commission press conference. Almost 80 say. Several submissions. Now we are Ora Bosmasari on CTFM. He stated that reason.
And no correct.
Say,
I listen to him.
Many people on the register now have passed on, and normally systems to clear off their names. So that can also
listen
come
to him.
Please.
Anthony.
Me na me the report to bantu ditra.
David. Untimi nche di oditro. Wa kan de ma onu so kan de na.
Document ko
Ashafo na nkasa no wo mo ye George fo a wo be George.
Me noted of carrying garbages around.
Hey.
Oh yeah, what is carrying garbage?
So dey no edo no so di intro so to me nkasa. Now so say garbage e chese nra.
Electoral commission here
garbage. Mesremo mo. Kasa bi o wa ye nyina ye be ye te. Na kasa.
Amanyosem na wo share studio. Na MPP ni kitankrat e bi mu a sebi gina so bi ani so a. Then they want to show say who no superior. Mimi connect when ko printi obi ni mindset
net reality and now me no ka say then you don't know what you are saying delegate is net and I want to hear ka
say ubeye di ama no
me so me das na mo man nti ase say na sem ya ye kan wa ye internet ne
de every newspaper be pie no an authentic news outlet omo registered.
My online for no register is registered. O print here free Peace FM online. That's why group of
you register. And now you original chairman. Also
Electoral no.
Kwame.
Peace FM online you registered. Into me print free wa. I no just say free.
Kwame, watch me adwuma so you. Enko kana se bia bia me sha no kosan bia. Enya prince be ka se host. Ye me hwehwe for say ye kom.
Emra ye cost. Emra ye cost she say ye niama we no etwem.
Would it travel?
Baby, I will do a regional chairman to bus studio. We make 2 points, no.
Onye na pacho me das me na kasa wa committee make.
And for me, no, I won't depend on extras from certain news portals and find your case. 2.
Wrong we say we make reference and news portals like you say online no it be a registered not just social media.
I'm not disputing it.
Okay.
I'm not disputing it. But I am making clear statement obi verbatim our TV so we state document
baby obenya information
fine. And for me no,
so don't
you can state yours. I'm stating mine.
Yes.
One of the claims are deputy commissioner aye. It's what I'm stating. So if I made intro no info. Again, submissions are ye nyina no. Right. But what is the value for it? Have you disproved say and the biodata system of the Electoral Commission tainted and incredible? Who's to state here? Then it tells you say, wow, biodata, no, you don't even trust it. Obieni hoswa so oni wiase anase ne hu edudu no election day say ontimi koto aba we betimi afa ne card etimi nya access to the biodata ato aba. Enti some of these claims no men no nye ginaso say ye kwakoye new compilation again. Where state say STL Electoral letter and the state certain reasons. Commissioner chairman of the commission Orayi Jane Mensah Onwanenum said there is a comprehensive report from the consultant stating reasons why they should procure new software and new BVRs. You see me in fact letter Electoral say you are requesting for, and I tell some defunct political parties that they don't even exist in the wilderness. Acquire certain whoas as a press conference supported by your general secretary. Omuwo have they submitted it to the public? And these are things I believe that
some will be more supporting smaller parties some any more one stand.
Of course, but they are not defunct. Like those that we saw parading themselves last week. And for me, say, Ura Akbaluni team no say, Omuwo reporter the claims from the consultant. Why haven't they submitted it? So for me, maybe Yedri advisory committee abim. We are waiting for our leadership to go before them, make the claims are here. Any reasons into a claim. No? The outcome of it will carry us to another level where we will make sure say Ghana is protected. We can't subject this country to chaotic situation because of our parochial political lineage. Say yepe to me binti. On my way, entimi nko anwen him.
My crowd say susu ya sa committee no de beba na say afan no isi ni IPAC ni advisory committee ni ejina ya omubesie no mobegia to mama ye de akwanim so. Definitely
a roadmap will definitely come. I be subject ye nyina to say ye eye niama be boa Ghana because from initial stages we share easy position we are backed by the law, we are this, we are that, like tintin. When you come out with that position, you are telling the political party that is against your proposal say muhu here na ekono sa ene de oye neighbor man, and we don't think it is a position we need to strive on, because at the end of the day say bibito chima say innocent and poor Ghanaians and omuhu beka the political class and other people in superior position will find certain armory clothing around themselves. So why should it take me to subject obia buja near Adekye bi okako sua okako fa na kaya bi ansa na we did here na ya set the country into
you will do that.
We will not do it. Anything therefore say the commission should engage. Let's still make reasons out of our claims so that there can be a clear roadmap. Enti near MPP for ye afu say muna mu wa power enti ene de ye de munie ye be ma
isi nye na dwuma isi ni
independent. I just want to say obi antimi ntina abem more than 8 years. Acha na 8 years. Ghanaians ohun be fun Ghana for enti some you been opposited 32 years. It's a statement you can make. But Nyame said within the next 1 year, 2 years, you are not going to be in power. He will do it. Through every legitimate.
Independent. On that note, Madam Papa, if you say no, Papa, who meted your Sabako, open your casa, CCA, Anthony Nukwenu, or your Greater Accra regional organizer, Emma NDC, and Kwame Bafo, your tie friend, say Abronye, or your Bono regional chairman, Emma MPP. Yeda one sepa. Bra, unti mammy, ya cassette, Bono Friday. Brother, be men casa.
That MPP bunu for.
Na woni man dis for. Wo mo fra better cry say you be the coat tare cry be the go to your coat tare cry.
MPP bunu for. Bunu for
on that note na ye de ene Adekye Nsroma dwumadie ni si. Nyame ya domo a wo chena Adekye Nsroma besaya ba. Ene nyame enhira wonti na nimu chio. Ensi wiye na ensi wisa no adwuma yi. Na nyame ye bi ma wa akoba ya kai so se wo de na seda be ma no. Ya kramo. Bye bye.